Good morning from the SSCVS project. This is Steve Smith, Capital Infrastructure Projects Manager. We're out here on Friday doing another concrete pour on the new filter building slab on grade. This is a third of 44 sections that are going to be poured in the SSCVS NFB. This is safety significant. It's our first safety significant work for the SSCVS. The concrete and the steel are both safety significant. We'll continue doing these pours throughout all of June, July, and August, and should be complete by the end of August. It's where you see the large rebar coming up out of the ground in here. That's where some shear walls are going to go, so we'll start forming and then placing the walls. Once those walls are up, we'll be able to start putting some precast walls in. If we scan over to the salt reduction building here, we're at full height for these shear walls. These shear walls are the anchors for the tilt-up panels that will be brought in. They're being fabricated in San Antonio. They will start production of those, restart production of those again, because we've already got about 40% of the panels done. We will go and complete those, and sometime in either July or maybe as early as June, the walls will start to go up on the salt reduction building. We're at full height there at 41 feet. They'll bring in columns, beams, the side panels, and then the roof panels to complete this building. By the end of the calendar year, we should have the salt reduction building dried in. Other things that we've done on the project since the last time we've had a video like this is we've got 15 of the 22 HEPA filter units stored in the fab building over here. The remaining 7 will be in by the end of the fiscal year. We've also started receiving the salt reduction units. These are the units that will take the salt that comes up from the underground, deposit it out into the salt reduction units so that we have cleaner air heading over to the HEPA filter building. We also have completed all of the underground electrical. We haven't installed the cable yet. We're waiting for that to come in. We're in the process of installing the underground storm sewer system. It's essentially complete. And we're also putting in the fire loop system around the SSCVS. That is nearing completion also. In fact, this weekend we're going to be installing the full south section of that in one go, which will be quite an advancement for overall underground. What we're trying to do is get all of the underground work completed in one go so that we have the surface open. We're going to be bringing in a lot of trucks with all the steel, the rebar, the precast panels, so we need to have the surface open and available.